from towering coconut palms to advanced processing facilities. Watch as fresh coconuts are expertly dehusked and cracked, turning fresh coconuts into premium coconut oil, desiccated coconut, and other high-quality products. Fresh coconuts are carefully harvested from tall palms before entering modern factories. Only the best fresh coconuts are selected during the harvest for premium processing. Thousands of fresh coconuts are gathered daily for the coconut processing factory. Harvested fresh coconuts begin their journey to the modern coconut processing factory. Fresh coconuts travel from farms to high-tech coconut processing facilities.
This is where fresh coconuts enter the modern coconut processing factory.
Only premium quality fresh coconuts are accepted for further processing. The industrial journey of fresh coconuts truly begins inside the factory. Fresh coconuts are efficiently received in the modern coconut processing factory. Fresh coconuts undergo initial cleaning inside the coconut processing factory. Thorough cleaning prepares fresh coconuts for premium processing. Rigorous sorting ensures only the best fresh coconuts move forward. Fresh coconuts are now ready for the dehusking process. This coconut processing factory handles massive volumes of fresh coconuts efficiently. Precision and hygiene are maintained at every step for fresh coconuts. Fresh coconuts are prepared for tough outer husk removal. Fresh coconuts undergo heavy dehusking inside the modern coconut processing factory. Advanced dehusking technology efficiently processes fresh coconuts. Dehusked fresh coconuts are prepared for the cracking stage. This coconut processing factory dehusks thousands of fresh coconuts every hour. Precision dehusking ensures high yield from every fresh coconut.
Nothing is wasted, as fresh coconuts are processed in the coconut processing factory.
Dehusked fresh coconuts are now ready for cracking and extraction. Dehusking is a key step in transforming fresh coconuts into premium products. Dehusked fresh coconuts are cracked open inside the modern coconut processing factory. Pure coconut water is extracted from fresh coconuts with care. Efficient cracking maximizes the value of every fresh coconut. High-quality fresh coconut flesh is exposed for further premium processing. Fresh coconut water is separated for premium coconut products. Only the best fresh coconuts proceed after cracking and extraction.
Both water and flesh of fresh coconuts are utilized for premium products.
Fresh coconuts are now ready for advanced processing stages. Fresh coconut flesh is dried into premium desiccated coconut.
High-quality desiccated coconut is produced from fresh coconuts. Pure coconut oil is extracted from the flesh of fresh coconuts.
Premium coconut oil is refined to the highest standards. Fresh coconuts are converted into multiple high-value coconut products.
These premium coconut products come from carefully processed fresh coconuts. Modern technology ensures consistent quality of all coconut products. The transformation of fresh coconuts into premium products is nearly complete.
Premium coconut products are professionally packaged in the factory.
Every premium coconut product receives careful final packaging. Attractive packaging protects the freshness of coconut products.
Finished premium coconut products are prepared for worldwide distribution. Rigorous testing ensures only the best coconut products are approved. From harvest to premium packaging, in Powell, the complete coconut journey.
Quality and hygiene remain the top priority throughout the process. This is how fresh coconuts become premium products inside modern factories.